this campaign. Well, while I got the camera on, let me show y'all these scooters. So I guess y'all can say, it's good to get out the motel and go for a walk. I was able to get some of my mail, and certain mail they won't send to the general delivery, so I have to pick it up at Waterfront Mission, and when I do, they play with that mail, so I can only get certain mail here. I don't feel like eating any of the food downtown. So I'm about to show y'all these scooters. These scooters, I think they're about $9 an hour. So it would defeat the purpose of getting a $9. I mean, if I rented a scooter for $9 an hour, if I rented a scooter, and then if I try to do DoorDash or something, look at this right here. This is the scooter. So these are the cedar scooter with the seat. And I heard people need a helmet for the scooter, so I don't have a helmet. But I wanted to test ride one of these. If people don't trust me with driving a car just to be mean and cruel, would you tell me I don't have a mentality to ride the scooter? Or would you make it like as if I'm not mentally capable of riding a scooter or a bike? You don't stop me from a bike or a scooter, but you'll stop me with the car. Here's the stand-up scooters. They deny me the right to eat food, or even talk about food, or talk about the beach, or talk about, things that I like, or things that make me happy. And then they say, I'll stay away from you because you're negative and miserable and you complain so much. So, I didn't even realize she was a perp waiting for me. Oh, I'm not allowed to drive at all, but all y'all do is perp me in nice vehicles all day. That's all y'all do. But I need help with the way to get a car and help with the way to get a permanent place to live. So I'm about to go try to find me something to eat. I don't know what I want to eat, but I think I know what I want to eat. So I'm about to go for the moment. No, because they might have some idiot. So look at a perp right there. She got red hair. See, the 10 cow. No, narcissistic military perks. The 10 cow. The 10 cow was closed down. So no more venison burgers. No more,